How to change Trello board background. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change Trello board background. So in order to change the background in the Trello board, all you have to do is just simply open the Trello account and open the workspace in which you want to change the background. So for example, I want to change the background for this particular Trello board that I'm working on right now. So in order to change that, you have to click on the three dot icon from the right hand side menu screen. Just simply tap on it, and over here under the menu section you will be able to see so many different options. So just go to the settings section, and under that you will be able to see the option called change background. As soon as you click on it, you will see that there are photos and colors available that you can choose from in order to set as a background. So if you choose the photos, you will get bunch of different options. So there are so many different pictures that are available in the Trello that you can use as a background. And if you go back, there are so many solid colors if you don't like pictures that much, because they might be little distracting for someone. So if you are someone who are into solids or something that looks gradient as well as solid in the look and feel, so you can choose that. So for example, I am going to apply this rainbow solid theme right here, so you can see that this looks like this. And if you are someone who are into pictures or something, so you can apply pictures as well. So I'm uploading this one. You can see that this is also looking amazing. So this really depends on your taste. So if you want to change it to the pictures or solid background, so you can select accordingly. But if you are even more creative and you want to add something more even unique, so you can also customize your style as per your liking. You can also upload the picture from your device in order to make it even more specific and personal as per your liking. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to change Trello board background. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.